In this video, I will show you how you can use Live Listen on your AirPods. Now to use the Live Listen feature on your AirPods, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, now the next step is just open the control center on your iPhone. And from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on the screen. Now just tap on Add a Control. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Live Listen. And after you do that, you will add the Live Listen shortcut to the control center. Now just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now after you have added the Live Listen feature to your control center, now to use it, now just put your AirPods in your ears and make sure that they are paired with your iPhone. And after you do that, now just tap on the Live Listen shortcut in the control center. And after you do that, you will turn on Live Listen on your iPhone. And basically, you will be able to hear sounds from the microphone of your iPhone. As you can see, this icon has been turned on, which indicates this feature is working. And this is how you can use Live Listen with your AirPods. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.